In 1928, people weren't sure if airplanes were the future or just another passing fad. One editor laid it all out and nearly predicted the next 100 years of air travel. I'm Bill, and this is Buffalo Air Park. Let's dive in. In the October 1928 issue of Popular Aviation, the editor described himself as an outsider, but what he had to say was anything but naive. He wasn't just wondering if planes could fly, he was wondering if aviation could actually work as a business. Could it move freight? Deliver passengers quickly and comfortably? Could it ever compete with the mighty railroads? He hit on something smart. Speed alone isn't enough. If your airport is 45 minutes outside the city, all that saved time in the air vanishes in a taxi ride. He asked, why aren't air terminals located right in the heart of towns like train stations? Turns out that would become one of aviation's biggest hurdles and opportunities. He even predicted that air travel wouldn't really take off, literally or figuratively, until airports were integrated with other transportation systems. Air and rail, air and road. We still wrestle with that today, especially in cities where getting to the airport takes longer than the flight. He also knew passengers would expect more than just speed. He envisioned air travelers as business people willing to pay a premium for comfort, not hangars and boxed lunches, but real terminals with hot meals, comfortable lounges, and actual service. He knew, even then, that aviation would have to match railroads in hospitality, not just horsepower. And when it came to airmail, he absolutely nailed it. He predicted that someday nearly all letter mail would fly. He was right. For decades, airmail became the backbone of early commercial aviation. But here's what really impressed me. He wasn't just talking about planes, he was thinking about people. He asked, who's going to book the tickets, handle the cargo, maintain the gear, solicit the customers? Everyone wants to be a pilot, he said, but who's running the rest of the airline? That's when it hit me. This editorial doesn't just talk about aviation, it talks about change. It sounds just like how we talk today about electric cars, or drones, or even spaceflight. We wonder, is the infrastructure ready? Will it be practical? Will people actually use it? In 1928, people asked those questions about airplanes. Today, we ask them just about everything new. The editor wasn't dismissive. He was curious, skeptical but hopeful, and that mindset, questioning without rejecting, is what helps innovation take root. He saw aviation as a young giant taking its first steps, and he was right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this peek into aviation's past, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more history in flight. I'm Bill, and this is Buffalo Air Park.